Hello, I'm Dr. Benedict Aurian-Blajeni, and I'm here to introduce KembloX, which is a system designed to facilitate the learning and obviously the teaching of the chemistry of ionic compounds by addressing two of the main paths to understanding and learning: the tactile or kinesthetic and the visual. The KembloX system comprises three synergistic parts: a set of complementary blocks, a chart of most common ions, both monatomic and polyatomic, and a four-sided spinning top. The three components share a color code associated with mono, di, tri, and tetravalent ions. The blocks represent both positive and negative ions. They can be assembled and disassembled according to chemical principles as detailed on the KembloX.org website. The chart comprises a list of most common ions, and some slight tweaking has been applied for seamless integration with the rest of the system. The four-sided spinning top is used for classroom applications. Among the topics and concepts that can be illustrated by KembloX are formula units, naming ionic compounds, dissociation in solution, solubility of ionic compounds and solubility charts, the metathesis reactions with precipitation, full ionic equations, net ionic equations and spectator ions, limiting reactant and excess reactant, reaction yield, both theoretical and actual. Thank you for your attention, and please visit our website on the internet.
With KembloX I learn easily when I study chemistry, chemistry for you and me. KembloX does the trick for me.